Two productivity powerhouses, Evernote and Slack. Which one truly makes your workflow unstoppable? On the left, Evernote, your digital brain for notes and organization. On the right, Slack, where work and teams happen in real time. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how these tools really stack up. We'll break it down by category. Each side earns points. At the end, you'll know exactly who takes the crown. Trust me, the winner in 2025 just might surprise you.
So here's the game plan. We're going to compare these two across 5 battlefields: note-taking and organization, communication and collaboration, integration and extensibility, search and retrieval, and user experience and interface. Visualize this mind map. Each branch is a category we're about to explore. First up is note-taking and organization. Evernote. Oh man, this is its home turf. You get powerful tagging, search, you can seriously organize your digital brain here. The note system is robust, almost too robust. But heads up, there's a bit of a learning curve. It's kind of like getting a new phone and poking around all the settings for the first week. Worth it, but takes work. Now, Slack does let you jot things down, like simple notes via integrations. But let's be honest, note-taking in Slack is basically a side gig. It's not designed for this. So, on this front, Evernote absolutely steals the show. Moving on, and this is where Slack shines, communication and collaboration. Evernote lets you share, sure, but if you're looking for real-time messaging, not happening. Now, Slack is the GOAT here. Real-time chats, multiple channels, instant replies. It honestly feels like having your team right next to you. Just a warning though, with so many channels flying around, you might get a little lost sometimes. But if collaboration is your jam, Slack absolutely nails it. All right, integration and extensibility. Evernote hooks into the usual suspects: calendar, email, all that good stuff. It's solid, but compared to Slack, well, the difference is wild. Slack's got over 2,000 integrations. I mean, are you ever going to use them all? No, but just knowing they're there makes you feel kind of powerful. Almost too many options, to be honest. But if you want your workflow centralized, Slack is the boss here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Evernote has over 225 million users? That's a lot of digital notebooks floating around. Wild, right? Now for search and retrieval. Both Evernote and Slack really step up. Evernote nails it with tagging. Advanced search is super slick. Slack, on the other hand, crushes search for conversations, files. You can pull up pretty much anything in seconds. So I'd say on this one, it's too close to call. Both are seriously good. Last stop, user experience and interface. Evernote's interface is clean, especially when you're deep diving into notes. Some folks find it a bit cluttered, but mostly it sticks to what matters. Slack, though, it's super friendly for team convos. Feels dynamic and modern, but with all those channels and DMs popping up, it can get a little crowded. Still, if we have to pick, Slack gets the edge for sheer usability. Quick visual, imagine a radar chart. Evernote totally dominates note-taking and organization, crushes search, but Slack spreads out, off the charts, with communication, integrations, heck, even user experience. So where does that leave us? If you need to master your notes, build an archive, and basically become a knowledge ninja, Evernote is your go-to. But if you're looking for instant team chats, seamless collab, and workflow wizardry, Slack's your winner here. If Evernote versus Slack left you curious, stick around. There are way more productivity tools out there. Go see what makes sense for your team.